Welcome to my video on measuring the resistance of a resistor with a multimeter. What I've got here is a 1K ohm resistor that came out of this box of resistors. It is marked brown, black, black, brown with a purple tolerance band. So that corresponds to a 1K, so it's properly marked, a 1K ohm resistor. And so what I'm going to do is get my multimeter out here, turn it on, put it on the ohm scale at auto ranges. So now I'm going to connect my, it doesn't matter which lead I put it on, plus or minus. Most resistors are not polarized, but I want to get a good connection here. Okay, let's see what our meter is reading. 999. Now it's very close to 1,000. That's definitely within the 1% tolerance on that. But one thing you do want to make sure when you're measuring resistance, always take it out of the circuit and don't put your hands on it like this. It will slightly change the reading. So keep your hands off of it and do it like this. I hope you got something out of the video and learn a little bit about measuring resistance. Thank you.
If you read my review, you can see I criticized the stand for being difficult to open, and it is. You can see it's flush here, And this is fake. This depression here is all molded in, so you can't use that to try to get the stand up. And unless you've got incredibly thin fingernails, you're never going to get them in there. I couldn't even get in until I got a razor blade knife. What I've discovered inadvertently is if you push very hard back here, you can get that end to come up hard enough to make it work. That's pretty unsatisfactory for me.
I don't know about yours, but my heart's been broken more than once, and I'm still around. My heart may not be stronger, but it's a lot wiser.
7,
Yours too?
6.
I'll be back in a moment. I want that sinus medicine. Headache tablet? No, sinus medicine. I'm a problem. Helps the headache and the pain. Oh, you need Spannung.
About how public safety